The other day, I went to test drive a vehicle with my family, and the sales representative took my driver's license, and he snapped a picture of it on his personal cell phone and then text messaged it somewhere. And that got me thinking, what cybersecurity practices are dealerships enforcing? Dealerships have had an amazing last couple of years. Demand is high, and as such, so is the risk of a cyber attack. Cybercriminals know that dealerships are a gold mine for financial and personal information. Just this year alone, we've seen cybercrime at dealerships increase 70%. Dealerships need to be prepared. When surveyed, most customers said they wouldn't go back to a dealership that's been breached. So here's a couple things to consider. Where do your weaknesses and risks lie? What systems can you implement to protect yourself? And when a cyber incident does happen, what's your plan? Cybersecurity is a critical business practice. It will only become more vital for dealerships and businesses as they continue to grow, and cyber attacks are becoming more and more common. A single incident could have devastating financial and business impacts on the dealership. Aligning with a trusted partner like Eide in cybersecurity can increase your security posture and lower the impact of a breach. For more information on cybersecurity or other dealership topics, please visit our website at eidebailey.com.